How to set up Google Ads for small businesses fast. Welcome to this quick guide on setting up Google Ads swiftly for your small business. Whether you're promoting a product or service, Google Ads can help you reach more customers. Here's how to get started quickly. First, make sure you have a Google account and head over to ads.google.com. Click on Start Now and sign in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to set up your first campaign. Choose your primary advertising goal, like sales, leads, or website traffic. Next, select the campaign type. For small businesses, search campaigns are effective as they show your ad in Google search results, reaching potential customers who are actively looking for your service or product. Now, define your target audience. Set your geographic location to where you want your ads to appear. You can target a specific radius around your business or select specific regions. Decide on your budget. Set a daily budget according to how much you're willing to spend per day. Google will give you a forecast on the potential impact based on your budget. Move on to keyword selection. Choose keywords that potential customers might use to find your business. Google Ads provides keyword suggestions to get you started. Be specific to reduce competition and enhance the match to user intent. Craft your ad copy. Make sure it's concise, engaging, and includes a strong call to action. Highlight what makes your business unique. Use the headline to grab attention and the description to deliver your message clearly. Finally, set up billing information and launch your campaign. Monitor its performance by the dashboard where you can track clicks, impressions, and conversions. Use this data to tweak your campaign for better results over time. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business online.